Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your country or region on the Aqua Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device, and once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, click on Settings at the bottom right corner, and now underneath General Settings, you will see the region option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose your region from the list of all of the available countries. Just scroll down until you see your region that you would like to switch into. After tapping on your desired region, it will be set as your active region right away. You can switch your region at any time within the application by simply going into the settings page. However, this will not change your language depending upon the region that you have selected. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your country or region on the Aqua Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.